Hello and welcome to episode 25 on how to make a GTA 5 style game in Unity 3D. Sorry there wasn't an episode yesterday, but there was quite a lot going on for me over the weekend, so I didn't really get time to record. In this episode, we're not really going to be doing much in Unity, but as you can see here, we don't have much of a level. So, I'm going to be going over ideas for levels and sort of theory on that, and then like getting on with designing in Photoshop, with just like outlines or whatever. So what they're obviously doing in GTA is they have it so it's based off the cities. So GTA 4 was New York, GTA 5 was San Andreas. San Andreas is the name of the city in the game, you idiot. Los Angeles rather. And I don't really know about the other ones. I haven't really played them. Right, so obviously, if you want an entirely fictional city, just design it yourself. But I'm going to go for a real-life one. It's not actually a city, it's more of a town that I'm going for. But if I wanted to London, it'd be a bit too big. So, here we have the southeast of England. And I shall zoom into Kent, which is by far the best county. And here we have Hawkhurst. Hawkhurst is a town. It's a reasonable size. And let's go top view. That looks weird now. So what we're going to do is have it sort of, I suppose what the best way to do would be to have it up to here maybe, and then have it just like field or woodland around surrounding it, or maybe just like as an island. That could be an idea. Right, so what we want to do is open up a photo editing software such as Photoshop or GIMP or Paint.net or whatever, and we want to take a screenshot of the town or city you are doing. So let me just turn off the UI. Oops, there we go. Print screen, and then obviously just open a new file into blah blah blah. So I'll just crop it down so I only have the map. And here we have Hawkhurst. Right. So what we want to do is we should map out the roads first, so that way you can do everything else around it. So what we're gonna do is, where's the line tool? Actually no, I'll just paint it, because why not? That one, make it a lot smaller and do it in black. No, I think white's fine actually. So let's start from up there. And let's do it. Oh no, it's already in the new layer. Where is it? No, it's not. Alright, start a new layer. And name it roads. I'm pretty sure there are layers in Paint.net. So don't quote me on that. Opacity obviously needs to be 100. And there we go. So I just draw out the roads. I'm going to come across crossroads and two junctions at points, which won't be too helpful. But so I'll just map out the main bit. Nope, that didn't work. I'll just speed up from here. Right, here we have our roads mapped out. As you can see, there are some parts of it are quite intricate, but mostly that should be okay. So if I just save this out, actually I'll just get rid of that first. Okay, or not. Make the background layer, default background layer, black. Boop, there we go. There's our roads. So I'm just going to save it into GTA 5 assets, textures. I'm going to create a new folder in textures called references and just name it roads. So it will save, and here it is. Oh no, here it is, roads. So what I'm going to do is set it to max size as 2048 so that we can have it actually in 1080p, and then set it to editor GUI and legacy GUI. So now set the texture type to editor GUI and legacy GUI. It might just be GUI if you're not using the Unity 4.6 beta, but I am. So yeah, so I'll just open up a new scene, file, new scene, creates a new scene. Now how big an area is that? It's elevation. How do I don't know what I'm doing. Image overlay, add polygon, add path. Oh, so I can go, no, that didn't work. No, cancel, go away. So, sort of like that, I suppose. That's what it will be. Boop. Okay then. Properties, altitude, style. Does it not give me the area of it? Okay, hold on. Okay, to work out the distance, you go up to the ruler and just go from the point you're starting to the point you're ending, which is sort of there-ish, which is about 0.78 kilometers. So that would be 780 meters. That's quite a big plane. Right, so that means we need to go game object, 3D object, or it might be create other view, plane. What I'm just going to do is create a cube and then scale the plane so it's of the same size, which I work in meters. Oops. So 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Okay, that's about a meter. So okay, that's one. Oops, 111 is 10 meters. That means so 100 meters would be 100, 100, 100, 10, 10, 10. So that's 100 meters from there to there. So we need 780 meters. So 70.8. No, 78 rather, not 70.8. So just one. Okay, that's absolutely massive. So if we set our roads, there we go. I don't know how big that is compared to like the player. Hold on, let me see. So just drag in him. Really? Okay. Really? So main. I'm completely lost as to where I am. I think that's the main. I know there's the main crossroad somewhere. Yeah, there. Yeah, that's right. It's a bit stretched, to be fair. actually, because it's sorry, not doing this very well. We need to be in that aspect ratio. So well, the aspect ratio for me is that. To work it out, you just have to do the width divided by the height. That's it. So we have 78, so if I just times 78 by that, you get that. So wrong way, that one. There we go. That's better. This all seems a bit strangely small. That's let me just see, that's 1 meter. Yeah. Okay, that should be okay. Right, so what we need to do is we need to go into the asset. Oh, actually, let's save the scene first. So I'm just going to name it Hawkhurst, but whatever you named, whatever yours is. So I'm going to go to the asset store and I'm going to find a road pack. So right, the tool I found is entirely free. It's called It's a Road Tool. That simple. I personally would recommend you get a tool called Road Architect. It is $65, I believe. But if you just want a free solution that works, then It's a Road Tool is perfectly fine. So once you've imported it, all you have to do is press Ctrl-Shift-R and it creates a road. Or you can go up to Game Object, create other road. So to start placing a road, all you have to do is click on that, click on the road, and then click. There we go, simple. And then each spline can be like different bends in it. So to there, which goes to there, and then to there. And then you can obviously move it around. And then go to there, up to there, which then goes to there, to there, and then there, and then there, and then there. Oh, oops. That one, which then goes there. Okay, so that. Oh. As for the side roads, we'll have to do that on a different road, unless it does support. I don't think it does support T-junctions or anything, which is a bit annoying. Which is the reason why I recommend you get Road Architects. So into there, and then there, and then there, and then there, and then like that. So there's the main road done. So I suppose as it's the main road, we want to make it a bit wider. So 3 maybe. That should be good. Okay, so if the other, okay, 3 is a bit much. 2. So now let's create, there's going to be quite a lot of roads. So Ctrl-Shift-R creates a new road, and this road will be, where's the T-junction gone? I'm completely lost. Is that it? That must be it there. Okay. Well, this road will be from there to there, so boop, and then boop, and then boop, and then boop, boop. And then it's there. And then obviously once you're done editing a road, unfortunately something like that will probably happen, but unless of course you want to do it properly straight, then you have to drive over there. Oh well, I suppose you could make that a bit higher, go over it. There we go. So 1 1 like that. Why not? Okay. So obviously once you're done with editing already, you just want to press lock and then do the same. So there we go. I'll just come back once I've edited all the roads. Okay, well, I haven't actually finished the roads, but by the time next episode is up, I will have. So that's been this tutorial. Next episode, I'll be doing things like buildings and all that. So thank you very much for watching. Once again, sorry there wasn't one yesterday, but this is it. Yeah, cheers, and thank you very much. And I just said thank you twice, but in different ways, whatever. Bye.